Jalup Jaten piny Rigathi Gachagua kaachiel gi jatend migao mochung'ne weche somo pacho ka Machogu osingo ne jodak ma Isiolo ni sirkal biro temo kar nyalone mondo skul manyiri mag Garbatulla odoge timo maber kaka notimo e kinde machon. Kane gilose nyasi manobage skund nyiri ma Isiolo High kane gisole omenda mokalo $30 million mendi mabiro konyo yawo kar kano buge, kar nindo gi nyiewo gari mar skul. Jotelogo wacho ni ok en gima kare ni skul mane timo maber chon kendo nyinge ne duong' pacho sani koro onoro kendo okwinjre kata Machogu owacho ni obiro oro jotim nonro e skund Garbatulla mondo chiwne sirkal paro mabiro konyogi.
White elephant what project? It has no benefit for the people of this county, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, as I am speaking here, we are almost finishing the abattoir here in Isiolo. In the next 3 weeks tutakuwa imeisha. Na tunataka wewe na rais mkuje mfungue, lakini mkifungua hiyo abattoir, export abattoir, haitaweza kufanya kazi kama hii Isiolo International Airport haijaweza kwa extend, hiyo runway yake haijaweza kwa extended, Your Excellency. Hiyo airport runway kwa extended, Your Excellency, si Isiolo peke yake ita benefit.
Garbatulla, which is a national school, Your Excellency the Governor, I will send officers from my ministry. I'm equally concerned because that is a sleeping giant. So tutamusha ile giant so that it can equally compete with this particular national school.
Mimi nakubaliana na waziri, mara moja waziri uweke mikakati shule yetu ya Garbatulla ambayo ilijulikana zaidi iweze kufunguliwa, ichukue nafasi yake katika Kenya. Waziri move with speed and reinstate the glory of that great school that was known for years as a center of excellence. Na serikali yetu itasaidia.